Eat more food connoisseur. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food that I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Alright, today I got some food from the spot called the EC Fish Market, located in Willingboro, New Jersey. They're mainly known for soul food. It's an Asian-owned establishment that sells soul food. It's like a little mom and pop shop around the neighborhood. So I grabbed the food up and we're going to talk about it. So I need y'all to hit me up, 40 fam. I need y'all to please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share me out with people you know, and hit the notification button so you know when my videos are on. I got the food with me right now. It's nice and hot, so we're going to experience the food, and I'm going to let you know what it's hitting for. It's a nice heavy platter. I got catfish, mac and cheese, and collard greens. And I'll let you see what it look like. Here it go. See how they divide it up for you? Collard greens over there, mac and cheese over there, catfish right there. See it? See it? All right. This was a family meal, so the total was $60. So it was 4 platters, 2 drinks, and a slice of cake. And I got what I ordered right here. All right. Going for the collard greens first. Kind of bitter. Very bitter, like they burnt. All right, that's enough of that. Let's see the collard greens taste. Excuse me. Let's see what the mac and cheese tastes like. I can already look at it and tell it's not like grandma's. It looked processed, so I got my hopes up high for it. See, you look at it and you tell me what you think. Oops. See it? Let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, it's processed. They tried. Not gonna knock them for trying. It's bland. It's cheesy, but it's bland. And it don't have any love into it. Let's see what the fish tastes like. They give you a lot of fish. It's crunchy. We're gonna talk about it. Cleanse my palate. All right. First, the collard greens. Okay. Collard greens on a scale of 1 to 10. Burnt tasting, bitter. I give them a 1. For their macaroni and cheese, it's not like homemade. It's processed to me. It's cheesy, but it's bland. I give that a 2. for the catfish. Got a little life in it. Could be seasoned a little bit more. And the crispiness got that going for it. So for the catfish, I give that a 6 out of 10. Like I said, it is a mom and pop shop around the neighborhood, and is Asian owned. So I had soul food from the spot called the Soul Boat in South Jersey, and this spot is not on a level. The food there was definitely banging, but this, it needs a little help. They need to put a little more oomph, a little more loving into it. Maybe they need somebody to come in there and show them. I don't know. But I would go back, but I wouldn't get their mac and cheese again, and I definitely wouldn't get their collard greens again. Maybe they had a bad batch, walked away from the stove, had the fire up too high, and that's how they got burnt. I know things can happen like that. Just trying to give them the benefit of a doubt. But at the end of the day, you got the good, you got the bad, and you got the ugly. The collard greens and the mac and cheese was definitely ugly. The fish was in between. I call that okay. It's not there to be a good, but it's not bad. So it's in between, and it's definitely not an ugly. All right, foodie fam. Y'all can check me out on the other spots like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and the gram. It's always a pleasure coming out, letting you experience what I'm experiencing. And like I said, foodie fam, you got the good, the bad, and the ugly in the foodie game. And it's not always going to be good. It is what it is. And today, it was a mix kind of situation. But like I said, I don't hate the whole platter completely. Sometimes in life, you got to look for good in everything. You keep that attitude, you go a long way with it. All right, y'all. I need y'all to hit a brother up with those subscribes, those likes. Share me out and do the notification bell so you know when my videos are on. It's always a pleasure coming out talking to y'all. Enjoy your evening. Tell your loved ones you love them. Stay safe out there. Remember, foodie fam, a few days, it will be time to vote. Make y'all votes count. Make them count. All of y'all that's watching, share that out with your friends too. Tell them to go out and vote. It's critical. Not telling you who to vote for. We know who we're going to vote for. But please go vote. Eat more, food connoisseur. I'm out. Good night.